Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify permissions for datasets in AWS Lake Formation, full guide step by step clearly. To verify permissions for datasets in AWS Lake Formation, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lake Formation service from the console homepage. In the Lake Formation dashboard, find the Data Permissions option in the left-hand menu. Click on Data Permissions to access the Permissions Management view. Here, you will see a list of data lakes and their associated datasets. Select the dataset you want to verify permissions for. Once you select a dataset, click on the Permissions tab. In the Permissions tab, review the list of principal entities assigned to the dataset. These principal entities can include IAM roles, users, or groups. For each principal entity, check the permissions they have been granted. Permissions can include actions like select, alter, or describe. If you need to view more details about a specific permission, click on the entity name. This will display a breakdown of the specific permissions associated with that principal. If you want to audit permissions further, utilize Lake Formation's built-in audit functionality. This feature allows you to review historical access logs for datasets. Navigate to the Audit section in the left sidebar. Select Data Access History to see logs of who accessed the dataset and when. You can filter the logs by timeframe, user, or dataset for finer granularity. If you find any discrepancies in permissions, you may need to grant or revoke permissions. To modify permissions, return to the Permissions tab for the dataset. Click on the Grant or Revoke options as necessary. Follow the prompts to adjust permissions for the specific principal entity. Double-check your changes to ensure the right permissions are set. Once confirmed, return to the main Data Permissions view to see the updated status. Make sure to periodically review dataset permissions to maintain proper governance. This ensures that only authorized users have access to your datasets. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and manage permissions for datasets in AWS Lake Formation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.